Okay, I'm done. Let me show you my plane. I cannot wait to touch it. This is high quality plane. This plane is high quality. Okay, let me fix that. Packaging, it broke. It broke the fuselage, but no worries. It's just a toy, right? Dummy. Are you going with your brains? Stop talking like that to me, brainy. Oops. I have not broke this thing. Okay. It's fixed. Now I cannot wait to touch the 737. This is a Boeing 747 because its neck is like this. I finally have a 700